Open a Nedbank My Goals and Just Save account. Register on nedbankcup.co.za to stand a chance of winning money, 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 money. To my friends on the TV, it's the Nedbank Cup, Mamelodi Sundowns 5, Sibanye still 2. I'm joined by the only Kaizer Chiefs fan that speaks football.
Who eats fish?
It's Thibo. Braga, yeah, get ala. Obolela nnete. Thibo, wa tsore ke tsore ke tala. Game ya ka tsekwe, ka ba ka ngene re ne ke ya kae. Intshwarisi tla 90 minutes le no ke sa ja ke khore.
Yes!
Tshwara, nthusa. No, Redman, ke rekile tlhapa ke tsore ke ya boikae. Ka game ne ke lebeletse. Yes, intshwarisi tla. Redman, wa bona, everyone o tshware ke tlala. Ba ingatha a ke so bo, le ana o naija. Everyone o tshware ke tlala Thibo.
Le lapisitswe ke Sundowns. A wona be good.
E bila go bua sebaka ka mokholo re kenyene ile ka teng. Redman e re ke no re hanyane 2 minutes fela. Lebaka ke ile Brayaka go bua nka tsheko ka rona ntwe ke boneng.
Nothing.
Nna ke bolela ka nna. Redman ke bolela ka tlapa e lo re yo representa country ya rena ko Club World Cup.
Yes.
Redman ke bolela ka di player tse lo reng di re performela da ko mafatsheng Braga. Wa ntlhalo ya Braga. Redman today di player tse ne ba dlala le tsona mo. Ba tlhopa ka ditena ko mining.
Yes.
Aba practice Braga.
Yes.
Wa ntlhalo ya Braga. O ye okora ballon goalkeeper ka goal ele ya boithu. Redman o ibone goal ele ya boithu.
Consider 2 goals. Easy.
Redman o consider 2 goal ka goalkeeper e lo reng Braga o driver
ba ko Africa.
Diphoso tsa batho la di bona. Tsa batho ba di bona. Goalkeeper wa bona ke mang? Goalkeeper Chiefs ke mang? Ke no botse goalkeeper. Ke mang goalkeeper Chiefs? Ke mang goalkeeper Chiefs? Agri phoso wa di bona. Goalkeeper Chiefs ke mang? Ka rena ke a itse goalkeeper.
We are not playing today.
Goalkeeper Chiefs ke mang? O bolela ka goalkeeper. Goalkeeper Chiefs ke mang? Kampotsa wena. Ke mang goalkeeper Chiefs?
Come through tomorrow.
Estibo.
Goalkeeper Chiefs ke mang?
Estibo. Wa bona re team ya ko mining e run di supporters. Wa bona re team ya ko mining e run di supporters. Wa bona? E ba tsere sa. E ba stress, ba nyaka di pilisi.
Mundu na stress.
One more. Heart attack, depression.
University of football is sale ba
Kopela bolela Estibo.
Maphosi sale ba University of football a zanga ra bona football ka makhosi.
Ba itse ba tla mala ba le file tlapa ke free piece.
Football was always
ba re tlapa ke free piece. Una sala utlwa ba re tlapa ke free piece.
Mang
Estibo.
Free piece ka boshiu.
E re ke thetha ba sentsane ba bolela.
Ke ke botsa wena ke re
ha e khone go ntwe re tlo go fetola
ha itse lo tlala
mogala yo mogolo mara University e kholo ya Paul wa itse
Fetho kopela continue wena. Kopela wa itse ke kopela ba mfe chance gore mane ke bolela ba sa bolela. Lebaka lo re ba tsenela. No, a go bone phoso because of I understand why o kenela ditabatse wa ntlhalwanya. Fola mo pelo mo moyeng Hortman.
nna ka itse monna jisitse a le ka o bolaya o dire ba o jisitse ka bolaya monna
Estibo, are carry on Hortman. Ke sentane ke I'm not going to celebrate. I know ke le Chiefs on ka thabela win ya Sundowns and I ke le ma Sundowns ke bua bolo Brayaka. If ke bua bolo, if baba happy ka 5-2 or baba le bothata going to Club World Cup. Wa tlhalwanya. Hortman,
don't go to a second team.
Why would I? No. Okay, sir.
Second team. Okay. I like a second team. Re testa ba fola ba lo ba tla irang.
Okay.
Re na le game tse ntsi.
Tibo, are wele hapo. Wa tsore Nedbank ke bokae? Ba riska ka second team sky blame. Wa tsore lose bokae mo Hortman? Mpotsa henke wa bona team ele Braga 7 minutes to goal. Nahana professional football. O tsa 7 minutes akora to goal. Are bua bolo Hortman. O ka se tlhale second team wa tsore lose bokae mo. What if team ele o ibone no. We knew. Okay, ke nyaka Sundowns ka last 16. Yeah, I'm going to beat them 4-1. Yeah. Tibo, ka last 16. Ke khopela Sundowns.
Wena se o tawetse.
o kora ke manager ko mining wa tla phathe di player tsaka ama practice braga bo Rowan Williams le ba mo braga ke o braga no braga unfortunately on studio ne ke tonna mo fatshe utlwa ba ngatheka
remember o re la ka last 16 o re na le game le wena ya league o na le 5 ka se krewe
Stibo okay bafethu refitile mo Hotman bafethu khopelo felletsa Stibo ka re ke a bona ebile ba re banya kompethe ke tsomo o tla re ke re Stibo Stibo khopelo felletsa bafethu khopelo felletsa bafethu yeah okay sharp re boleleng ka bolo ne re bolela ka unprofessional player in a professional football club. The guy who just came back from the red card is still getting unnecessary red card. Hotman o kira bjang Hotman one thalwanya o tla red card o sa kira red card ka silly mistake one thalwanya. So Hotman this thing is very painful. Remember re bolela ka morena ha teng re bolela ka modao ha teng re bolela ka o ke mafetso o kira red card last game Lunga wa tsalwanya gore still o sale ka discipline brayaka o costa team ho fitla kae then o bona re team e setse minusitse batho ba bakae re bua ka bolo no ba fwedo di player tse di le ka discipline brayaka wa tsalwanya brayaka Hotman le na le game
Miguel wa usala wa mutsa tete ngo no kra cut each and every game Miguel o kra cut each and every game da man hana da idenya ya bolo hala ta muthu mulata ha ke wow
Stibo aper bua so les ya
marara ka sefet
no let's get ka pelo ba fethu let's get ka pelo Hotman re no bua re bua bolo mo ba sa itsa ka pelo Chiefs ya dlala ka boshu ke tlo ba botsa ka boshu braga no re bolela ka Sundowns mo a re ska bolela ka Chiefs a dlale ka tsego Chiefs re tlo bua ka na ka boshu o nya go bua ka Chiefs tla ko stadium braga I'm still requesting Mosadi Ole ba re ke mango wa referee o fit akona na le teng ka tsego
first official
exactly ke sa mo requesta braga for Davi akina tabo re ba re abongile thomo yeah na ke ke mnyaka na beke na braga ke ka re fona akinya ke abongile thomo why always le fa abongile thomo di Davi braga why le sa mo change ko Davi ona le mu komo wa tsalwanya braga wa tsalwanya Stibo why exactly and every Davi believe me if abongile thomo akabateng braga is done we're dead they must bury us immediately kopela le ntle le ka se ko FNB
one time kan wanya ka referee ma
Mosadi Ole
my question is why you come Mosadi Ole wa referee for the chama boy why you come Mosadi Ole wena only one kuri mpatela muslina
okay Stibo
for the chama boy you need for the project game man of the match
Stibo man of the match for though Braga I give so credit today let me give the credit to Mamelodi Sundowns supporters Hotman because of their singing the spiritual songs of Hotman today they scored 2 goals because of the 2 songs that they sing Rotman ba bethile mpoho ba kora last goal ba na le engwe ba re ba thingi pinele ba re ba fetsa betha ba kora engwe ya bobedi so Rotman if in the sitapota sitse braka ne re tla be re mo taba tse di man of the match wa ka braka
Every game you want to find us play
man of the match ka ke tlofa player ya jersey number 11 ya Diet Club ile ne dlala le
Golden Stars.
le Majita kopolo register go netbankcup.co.za ke a tsebo na le Netbank my goals repeat it plus ya go netbankcup.co.za wa ibona iri dotman netbankcup.co.za register remo because I know you are a Netbank Cup
Members,
thank you very much bafet re feditse ka bolo ke khopelo utlwela Stivo okay thank you braga ema okay sharp Stivo re bua ka Netbank bafet khopela le sa re disturb braga happen to mfanyona Stivo ke a uira chalete Stivo happen to mfanyona wena ke a uira chalete I can become a millionaire because of a dial mang ya ko netbankcup.co.za netbankcup.co.za register fela ka ba ke feditse next round ka thola meter bafethu la utlwa tabe bolelang ke Stivo are le registereng ko Netbank khotlhantsho marona byanong le dial Stivo ba botse netbankcup.co.za you can become you can become a millionaire ka yona bafethu ne na somara ke diet no e ke fetso thewa stage mo somara ko inela fatsi Stivo I can't wait to get that money my brother I'll come back and thank you cause umpontshitse tselo ira
thank you member
o reka a police ka millionaire
koreka